Kajingelang jangka kenhun menteri kepala long hakashipau terik mentau nailar arhajar arpuwe kalekren halor ki katukane teligimat ki badan kam ban Shim Khia ke bakerkia. Kawai ni gimat kalong halor kejingpynbthei we kejingpynbthei pisa na kebenta ke Meghalaya Contingency Fund. Habakran hadian balawai kejingelang jangka kenhun menteri hagani gesngi u menteri rang ba agajela Conrad kongkal Sangma. Ule thu bakawai hi kamat ka ba kejingelang kalekran na kani gesngi kadai halor ban kentiu no ya kamang teka na kebenta ke Meghalaya Contingency Fund haga ba kenhun menteri de kawai gesur kala menjur ban kentiu no na ka lais paasan klur tengka syaka san paasan klur tengka. Hagani gesngi ke kenhun menteri jangka sorkar MDA kala menjuru halor kejing terwa banwan ra kejing penkelai ki katukan ki kendon jangka Meghalaya Fundamental Rules and Subsidiary Rules kat kendai spa prapusan bat ka Meghalaya Delegation of Financial Powers Rules arhajar hendrio.
Corpus of the Meghalaya Contingency Fund from 305 crores to amount of 505 crores, which is an increase from 305 to 500, which is 200 crores increase. And this is being done because of the fact that there are a large number of projects for the contingency which have been done under the Contingency Fund of Meghalaya Act 2017. And therefore, since the amount has been already utilized because of different expenditures, so therefore the amount has to be amended and increased. So we've increased it from 305 to 505 crores.
Haga jingkran bikinong pathai kubor haga negesngi hadian ke jingelang jangka kenhun menteri. U Conrad kongkal Sangma uloong balada dai manu badan keti haga jingpynbthei ubom IADA haga nong ba shelong ke sorkar kan ommap. Nalor kani ula penrem jurru halor kani ke kampentriam bat ula kular gipat ba ban Shim Khia na kebenta ke jing songsengan gipat ba bat banele persya bat ke badan keti haga ne ke kampentriam.
We had, in fact, after the incidents that took place in Clariat many weeks back and before also in different occasions, the intelligence department and the wing of the police department and the police department as a whole had been working very, very aggressively on this particular blast that took place earlier in Clariat. And in the process, a large number of the sleeper cells and people who were involved in these blasts, in fact, all of them were arrested and all of them were neutralized in the sense that they were all arrested. So neutralized could mean other things, but here we're talking about arrest. So all of them were arrested. So all the people involved in those blasts were arrested. And that, of course, led to maybe the reactions that we're seeing now. But as I said, firm action has been taken in the past. All the people involved in all the past incidents have been caught. And we will ensure that all the people who are involved in this particular incident or anybody who will be in threat to anybody, any citizen of the state, will not be spared. This is an incident that, yes, should not have happened. This is an incident where we have seen that it's been preceded by a large number of extortions being given to people, and therefore it looks more like a racket of extortion that they're trying to create, and this is something that we will not allow at all. So therefore there are few people who are trying to do this, but I want to assure the citizens of our state that we will, as a government and as a police, we will take firm action and will ensure that the safety of our people and the citizens of our state. Yes, we have said that we are ready to discuss with them if they are surrendering and coming forward to discuss with them. But we don't want any kind of conditional talks out here. They must surrender and they must come forward and want a discussion with us. We are ready to talk, but it has to be an unconditional talk, and it has to be a talk that is very much within the constitutional framework of the country.